have these two extra babies. I'm going to be filling the middle with the blue and crumb coating with the white. I should probably put a doll up there so it doesn't move on me. Alright, so I just spread a little bit, tiny little circle inside the circle on there. So my cake doesn't move around and it will stick. So that is that. I kind of feel like I should move this back some. Next layer. So I was going to cut these, right? But then I was like, do I really want to waste all that time? No, I don't. So we're not going to. Yeah, when I first started making cakes, I used to use the spatula and spread the middle of this. And then I was like, there has to be an easier way to do this, right? Duh. Use a piping bag. So, this is so crummy. Ta-da! And we're done. You have a naked cake. Psych. Sorry. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm tired. So tired. I don't know if you could tell. Earlier, when I first started, it was like 7 o'clock. And I was a little bit more awake. But now, I am exhausted. And I can't hang. I'm so tempted to lick this. Does anybody else do that? Because that was really tempting just now. Oh, fudge. Guys, let's act like this didn't happen, right? Whoop, didn't happen. I'm going to put this in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes so these layers will harden. That way when I go to spread this, it doesn't like split out, you know? So, keep it. Now that we have our crumb coat done, I'm going to clean it up a little bit and then put it in the fridge for another 15 minutes. So, I'm going to start working my way upwards and try to make it like an ombre effect. Because I want it to look like so that's coming out how I pictured it. I'm going to clean up this rim and get some of these sharks on there. I'm debating on using these sharks or these colorful sharks, and I think I'm going to use these ones because they'll look better on the cake. This. Oh, here's what we're looking like. Oh my god. So I think I'm gonna sprinkle some sprinkles on top and call it a day. I'll give you guys a close-up in a second. And that is it, guys. This is how my cake turned out. Some sand and I don't know, rocks. I hope you guys all enjoyed watching. Thank you so much. And